Today I'm looking at all three of the Bosch portable router tables and we'll see how they stack up. With the 1171 you get an MDF top with an aluminum miter track, and I really like that storage base. Not only does it give you a great place to clamp it to your workbench, but it also helps to contain some of the dust. There's a lot of similarities between this 1171 model and the 1181. They both come with really high quality aluminum router mounting plates and this extremely robust anodized aluminum fence system. Both feature a dust collection port on the back for a standard 2 1/4 inch shop vac fitting. And all of the router tables come with guards and nice feather boards to help control your workpiece. And luckily all the models have this nice power strip feature, so you can control not only your router but also a shop vac just with one switch. While the RA 1141 and 1171 both have MDF tops, the 1171 is a little thicker at 1 1/8 inch compared to a 1 inch thick top on the 1141. The way that you mount your router varies as well. With the larger router tables, you actually mount the router to an aluminum plate, whereas with the RA 1141, instead you'll mount it to this quick release plate. Then you can easily just snap it in from underneath and lock the lever. Once the router is installed, you're free to make bit height adjustments as with any router table and lock that in. But instead of changing the bits while the router is installed in the table, with this 1141, I prefer to do that by removing the router with the quick change system. You also get a 2 1/4 inch dust port on the back of the fence, but with the RA 1141, this is a lighter duty fence. Better for transport, I suppose, but not nearly as heavy duty as the other two models. Still, you get a lot of the same features like independently adjustable fence faces and that removable spacer in case you want to use your router table like a joiner. Still, even with the portable version, mine was dead on square and worked well in testing. The tabs for clamping seem a little bit thin on the 1141, but they are metal and plenty sturdy. Overall, this sort of system that I like best is the RA 1171. It's got that MDF base that's a little oversized and just lets you easily apply clamping pressure to your workbench. There's even some storage compartments inside the foldable legs, so great place to keep your accessories. So the best feature of each of these router tables on the RA 1141, I'd have to say it's the compact portable size. This is just such a tight package, you can just fit this in any vehicle and be ready to go to work on the job site. Now on the other two models, you step up to that heavy duty anodized aluminum fence, and on the 1181 you also get a high quality aluminum top. So I think the aluminum top would be my favorite feature on the 81. But the thing I really like on the 1171 is the enclosed cabinet. In addition to the nice dust collection port that all these router tables have off the back of the fence, this one adds that enclosed cabinet to really contain the dust. When trying to decide on just one of these great router tables, I would say it depends on what your priorities are in the shop. If portability is a big thing for you, go with the RA 1141. It's got the folding legs and storage within those leg compartments, so that makes it a really good choice. If you value a sturdy aluminum top, the RA 1181 would be the best choice for you, or if you like a storage base and the best dust collection, go with the RA 1171.